1, 2, 1, 2. Yo, check this out. It's the jump off right now. I want everybody to put your work down, put your guns down, and report to the pit. The gravel pit. Leave your problems at home. Leave your children at home. We gonna take it back underground. I be Bobby Boulders. Wu-Tang Clan on your mind one time. It's the jump off. So just jump off, my nigga.
Check out my gravel pit. All this story unraveling. Wu-Tang is a city that I travel with. Don't go against the grain if you can't handle it.
Ha! Holocaust from the land of the lost. Behold the pale horse, off course. Follow me, Wu-Tang gotta be the best things in Starks and Clark Wallabies. African killer bees, Black Watch. On your radio, blowing out your watch. From Park Hill, the house on Haunted Hill. Every time you walk by, your back get a chill. Let's build, want to talk about skill. I spit like a semi-automatic to the grill. Elbow grease and elbow boom. Baby play me, baby fall down, go boom. Party people gather round, count down to apocalypse.
I'm the kid with the golden arms.
And I'm the motherfucking hot nicks. Pass the blunt. My nigga, don't front. You had it for a minute, but it seemed like a month. Now I'm choking, smoking, hoping I don't croak it from overdosing. Hey kid, when the mouth got you open, let's ride. Can't stand niggas that floss too much. Can't stand Bentleys, they cost too much. Kid wanna get up, you can't get touched. Kid wanna stick up, you can't get stopped. I'm the one that calls you bluff when your boy try to act tough. Remember what old Dirty said? I'll fuck your ass up.
Check out my gravel pit. All this story unraveling. Wu-Tang is a city that I travel with.
Eat with the English, extinguish styles, extremists. Forehead beamers run wild as the kid with the gold cup. Stepped out like what? Was poppin' and y'all niggas drove up blasting. Shay, chocolate, saute. Rich Calamox rock those all day. 1960 shit, I'm Goldie. That's right, motherfucker, don't hold me. The world's greatest, Las Vegas paid as rock. Skin painted on my face, look ageless. Perfect combos, those bang out condos. Get from Homo, XP Broncos, Bankos, Stankos, and plain clothes. Change those bang those, same old, same old.
Yeah, y'all, straight up, this the jump off right here. The gravel pit, word up, representing rockin' boulders. All my rich gangster style killers, y'all know what time it is. Shorty, do your thing, get up on that right now, boo. Do you? That's what I'm talking about.
Step to my groove, move like this. When we shoot the gift, of course it's ruthless. Grab the mic with no excuses in a sec. Grab the text, salute this. Executing, shaking no sets, and now I'm breaking no hex. I'm taking no bets. Move on bets, who won't withdraw next? You won't stank, we got the bigger bank. Bigger shank to fill with tanks. Still the same kill for real. Ride the crank, slide, do or die. Fry the bake, admire the grades. On fire with a heart of hate. With a shark, every part I take. Heavy darts to quake. It's okay, all fakes. Get caught by the drop kicks. You know the drill, yes, it's Park Hill. Yo, we hit 'em with the hot grits. On the go, check the flow. Singing Woo don't rock shit. Stop quick, hold the gossip. Stop sweating my pockets. I hear the hot shit.
Check out my gravel